Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Artificial intelligence has completely transformed the way we do business online. Tasks that just a year ago would have taken hours or even days to complete can now be done in a matter of seconds. Weeks of difficult learning have been replaced by the simple task of knowing how to ask the right questions to a piece of AI technology. But why are so many marketers then still not taking advantage of these massive new innovations that make their lives and their earnings so much better? The fact is that even a year into the AI revolution, we're still only just scratching the surface. The vast majority of the world's population still have no idea what AI is and what ChatGPT or other similar platforms are. Some are afraid of the technology. Others think that they won't have the necessary technical expertise to succeed. Others have tried and failed already and think that it won't work for them. Whichever one of these categories you fall into, all of that is about to change with AI Infinite Income. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and along with my launch partner Sandra E. Hawley, we have created the ultimate, easy to use, and even more crucially, easy to understand course that will transform your ability to earn money from the AI revolution. In a series of short, easy to follow videos, we will teach you a variety of straightforward, different ways that you can make money from AI by getting the technology to perform a series of different tasks for you. Scroll down the sales page and you will discover just some of the many different ways that AI Infinite Income will open up brand new income streams for you. In this course, we will teach you the exact correct prompts to enter into the technology to make sure that you get the right outcomes. And don't worry if you don't even know what a prompt is. Everything will be fully explained for you from scratch. With this course, even someone who's never even been online before today would be able to come away with at least 10 simple methods to start earning cash immediately. Getting started with AI Infinite Income is easy. Step 1. Pick up a copy of AI Infinite Income before the price goes up. If you delay your purchase, you really will pay more. Step 2. Watch the super easy to follow instructional videos, most of them only a few minutes long. And step 3. Use the power of AI combined with your new knowledge to effortlessly open up 10 new streams of income in the next 24 hours. So, right now you have a choice. Do you continue in the old tired methods of trying to make money online, performing loads of labor-intensive tasks over and over again using hours of your time? Or do you unlock the transformational power of AI and look forward to effortless paydays over and over again? Whichever you choose, have a great day. But myself and Sandra look forward to seeing you on the inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.